Whatever the sport, whatever the season, be it street, surf, or snow, just stand on the iJoy board's non-skid surface, turn on the power, set the intensity with the remote controller, and you're experiencing an invigorating workout that increases. iJoy board's 3-axis motion system challenges 3 different muscle groups with a pitching motion for toning the abs, a rolling motion for strengthening inner thighs and mid-torso muscles, and a yawing motion for working the lumbar muscles. Put them together for a mid-body workout that's never boring. And more than anything, the iJoy board puts fun back into your workout routine.
You're really outside that face.
Active gaming. Active gaming.
Oh my god! Wow. That is pretty cool. Σκύψε λίγο.
Κάνε και ένα... εκεί καλά είσαι. Τον Καρχαρία προς το τραγουδί. Κύμα!
Έρχεται! Τα πόδουσες!
Σ' άλλο λέει.
Μα δεν έχεις κανένα χρόνο.
Όχι, δεν έφαγα όλο. Παίρνω όλο και φαγά.